The series has a bit of all the right elements. Good acting, real strong story and impressive story, good directing and of course dedication. I think is the reason of the success. I believe this story is really strong and impressive. It's always amazing to be appreciated, and I'm really grateful for their love and respect. Every project has its own difficulties and rewards. I know my fans has high expectation, and I will always try to be worthy of their love. I really want to visit Pakistan and meet the Pakistani people. You never know, hopefully I will be visiting soon. Thank you very much. I appreciate the invitation. Hopefully see you soon.